We are going to start our lecture 2, class 9 annual examination, subject chemistry, subject teacher MRN, chapter 7. Name of the chapter is chemical reaction. Now, one lecture already we did in the before, the second one, our reaction, oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction on the basis of oxidation number. Now, sodium plus chlorine reacting with each other produces sodium chloride. Here the reaction in which oxidation number of an element increases, the reaction is called oxidation. In this reaction, sodium donates electron, becomes sodium plus. Here oxidation number of sodium increases from 0 to plus 1. So this one is oxidation reaction. In the same time, chlorine receives electron, which one is called reduction. In this reaction, oxidation number of chlorine decreases from 0 to minus 1. So this one is reduction reaction. Say this one is half reaction, oxidation reduction is half reaction, and that one is sodium donates, and oxidation number of sodium increases from 0 to plus 1. So this is an oxidation reaction. In the same reaction, chlorine receives electron and its oxidation number decreases from 0 to minus 1. So this one is reduction reaction. So in the reaction between sodium and chlorine, sodium chloride is produced. In the same reaction, both of oxidation reduction happens. So, and this one is happens due to the change of oxidation number. In one case, oxidation number increases. In another case, oxidation number decreases. That means oxidation reduction happens on the basis of electron, that means oxidation number. Some other examples of oxidation reduction reaction, these are addition reaction, for example, ferrous chloride plus chlorine produces ferric chloride. This one is also oxidation reaction. Addition reaction, the reaction in which two or more elements, different elements or different compounds or compound elements are combined together, form one kind of compound. Again, form one kind of compound is called addition reaction. Here we have seen ferric chloride, a compound, and chlorine is element joining together form a compound ferric chloride. This one is addition reaction. Another addition reaction, nitrogen plus hydrogen. This one is also addition reaction. Here nitrogen and hydrogen, two elements are joined together and form one kind of compound, ammonia. But it has another name of this reaction, that one is synthesis. synthesis the addition reaction in which only two or more different elements are joined together to form a compound. That one is called synthesis reaction. In this addition reaction, element nitrogen has joined with hydrogen to form compound ammonia. So here the reactants are only different kinds of elements. So this one is addition reaction. In the meantime, since participants are only elements, so its addition reaction is renamed as synthesis. So its another name is synthesis reaction. First addition reaction, due to the presence of reactant only elements, this addition reaction is called synthesis reaction. Another reaction of oxidation reaction is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, it is just opposite reaction of addition reaction. The reaction in which a compound is decomposed to its element or compound. Again, the compound in which the bigger compound is decomposed to simple element or compound, this reaction is called decomposition reaction. It is the opposite reaction of addition reaction. For example, phosphorus pentachloride is broken to phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. Here phosphorus pentachloride is decomposed to simple compound phosphorus trichloride and element chlorine. Another example, water. When water is hydrolyzed, then it produces two different elements, hydrogen and oxygen. This one is another example of decomposition reaction. That means in each of the case, both the big compound is broken to simple compound or elements. This one is called decomposition reaction. Another example of oxidation reaction is substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Substitution reaction or displacement reaction. Substitution reaction or displacement reaction. Now, the reaction in which an element displaces another element or radical from a compound and takes its place is called displacement or substitution reaction. For example, zinc plus sulfuric acid reacting together form zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Here zinc has displaced hydrogen and this place is taken by zinc, that it displaces and takes its position. That one is, this reaction is called substitution reaction or displacement reaction. There are different kinds of displacement reactions are given in the book, but one is given here. Another example of oxidation reaction is combustion reaction. Combustion reaction. The combustion reaction is the process in which any compound or element is burned in presence of atmospheric oxygen and converts into oxides of its elements is called combustion reaction. For example, when methane gas, that is natural gas is burned in presence of atmospheric oxygen it produces carbon dioxide and water plus huge amount of heat. Carbon dioxide plus water and huge amount of heat. This reaction is called combustion reaction. In this combustion reaction, oxide, carbon dioxide is produced. That means oxide is produced. Heat is evolved in this combustion reaction, huge amount. This process is also involves electron exchange. Here electron exchange also occurs. So this one is an example of oxidation reduction reaction. Other examples are given, can be given. The reaction in which oxygen reacts, sulfur plus oxygen, sulfur is burned, produces sulfur dioxide plus heat. In each of the case, heat is produced. Another one, carbon is burned, it produces carbon dioxide plus heat. Magnesium oxide, magnesium is burned in presence of atmospheric oxide, it produces magnesium oxide plus huge amount of heat. That means in combustion reaction, oxide is produced, oxygen is participated in the reaction, and huge amount of heat is produced. These are the examples of combustion reaction. Next one, some non-redox reaction. Non-redox reaction, the reaction in which electron transfer doesn't occur. These reactions are called non-redox reaction, that means no electron exchange. For example, number 1, neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. In the neutralization reaction, it is called basically acid base reaction is called neutralization reaction. Here hydrochloric acid plus base sodium hydroxide reacting together form salt, sodium chloride and water and heat also. Heat also produced. Heat also produced. Sodium chloride, water and heat. Now here HCl hydrochloric acid and base sodium hydroxide reacting together form sodium chloride, salt, water and heat. Now in this reaction, if we explain, here hydrogen, the chloride ion in the reaction, chloride ion is unchanged. Here sodium plus in the reaction, sodium plus unchanged. That means the ions in this reaction, they don't change their oxidation number. Chloride minus, after the reaction chloride minus. Sodium plus before reaction, after reaction same. So they don't change their oxidation number. That means this one is non-redox reaction. Important thing in this reaction, the ions which one don't change their oxidation number, they are called spectator ions. They are called spectator ions. We have seen in this acid base reaction, chloride ion and sodium plus ion, they are unchanged after the reaction. So they are called spectator ions, sodium plus, chloride minus. Okay. Next one, precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction. Please. Precipitation reaction. The reaction in which two different soluble salt or compound react together and produce insoluble one compound, one or more in that solvent insoluble. The reaction is called precipitation reaction. For example, soluble sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is soluble, is written aqueous. That means soluble. Sodium chloride plus silver nitrate, soluble, aqueous, produces silver chloride. Silver chloride, solid means insoluble. Silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. Silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Here sodium chloride is soluble, silver nitrate soluble. They are reacting in water, and after reaction silver chloride is produced, that is solid, it is insoluble, and soluble sodium nitrate. That means in this reaction a compound silver nitrate is insoluble produced. That means this one is precipitation occurs. This reaction is called precipitation. So the reaction in which soluble two or different compounds reacting in a certain solvent producing insoluble substance or compound, this reaction is called precipitation reaction. There are many other examples. Sodium sulfate, plus barium chloride, they together reacting form barium sulfate, that is solid insoluble, plus sodium chloride soluble. In this reaction also, soluble sodium sulfate reacts with soluble barium chloride, produces insoluble, that is solid barium sulfate, white colored, and soluble sodium chloride. That means in this reaction also insoluble salt barium sulfate is produced. So this reaction is called precipitation reaction. Now some special types of chemical reaction. Some special type of chemical reaction we can discuss. Special type of reactions. Special type of reactions I am going to discuss. Number one, hydration. Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis reactions, the reaction in which water participate in the reaction, in which water participate and produces different compound is called hydrolysis. For example, silicon tetrachloride plus water together form silicon tetrahydroxide. plus HCl. Here water participated in chemical reaction. Silicon tetrachloride reacting with water produces silicon tetrahydride and HCl. So here water is broken. Lysis, hydro means water, lysis means breaking. So water is broken and participates in the reaction, produces different compounds. So this reaction is called hydrolysis reaction. Now another example, aluminum chloride reacting with water produces aluminum hydroxide plus HCl. This one is another example, aluminum chloride plus water produces aluminum hydroxide plus HCl. Here also water participated, and water itself is decomposed and react with aluminum chloride produces aluminum hydroxide. This one is another example of hydrolysis reaction. The interesting thing in this reaction, the hydroxide which one is produced, this one is solid, that is insoluble. So this one is the example of two kinds of reaction. One is hydrolysis reaction, another one is precipitation reaction, because the product precipitation already aluminum hydroxide insoluble is produced. So it is the example of two kind of reactions. One is hydrolysis, another one is precipitation reaction. Next reaction is hydration reaction. Hydration reaction. Hydration reaction is a reaction in which certain number of molecule of water is added with ionic compound and without being broken. But in the hydrolysis reaction, water is broken, but here water is not broken. Directly molecule is added, that is certain molecule with is a certain ionic compound. The reaction is called hydration. Example, copper sulfate, 5 molecule of water, it produces copper sulfate. Here certain number of water molecule is added and produces crystal lattice, crystal form. This reaction is called hydration reaction. Another example, zinc sulfate plus 7 molecule of water produces zinc sulfate with 7 molecule of water. Here also zinc sulfate plus 7 molecule of water, zinc sulfate with 7 molecule of water. This one is copper. Zinc sulfate is hydrated and form a crystal molecule of zinc sulfate. In this way, varieties kinds of examples I can write. Another one is ferrous sulfate plus 7 molecule of water produces ferrous sulfate crystal lattice with 7 molecule of water. This one is another example, ferrous sulfate plus 7 molecule of water produces ferrous sulfate crystal with 7 molecule of water. These reactions are called hydration, water molecule. The difference between hydration and hydrolysis, in the hydrolysis reaction water are broken, but here intact this water molecule are added and they form crystal, copper sulfate crystal, zinc sulfate crystal and ferrous sulfate crystal with certain number of water molecules. The example of hydration. Now the last part of this class, the questions. questions number explain oxidation reduction on the basis of oxidation number, number 2, define hydrolysis reaction, hydration reaction, and precipitation reaction. Questions: explain the oxidation and oxidation reduction on the basis of oxidation number, and define hydrolysis, hydration, and precipitation. That's all today. Okay.